remark was attributed to Mr. Rosenbaum. I just got out of jail, and I'm not afraid to go back, or words to that effect.
I did say that. I saw it on the video.
You say you have a witness who could testify to that?
Yes.
Oh, he heard it?
Yes.
It was on the video.
Objection?
My objection is discussing this belief of where this bag came from. He doesn't know. If he wants to, I mean, I would object to hearsay to the Rosenbaum statements because I don't believe there's enough context, and Mr. Rosenbaum clearly isn't here to testify. So I do believe they are hearsay, although I understand the court's pretrial ruling.
Isn't that the hearsay objection?
I thought we were getting a little mixed up here,
Yeah,
which I wanted to clarify.
Exception.
I thought that when Your Honor was talking about things coming in that indicated something else, I thought we were going to go into this line of questioning that Mr. Rosenbaum was getting out of jail, which I believe is not in dispute that he's getting out of the hospital. So I just wanted to clarify that. I do, if they want to ask him what he heard, fine, but I don't believe the proper form of the question is, how did you get your belief that this bag was from jail? There's no dispute that this bag was from jail, that this bag was not from jail. And I think you repeatedly mentioned jail when it wasn't an issue in this case.
I'm not in a position to know. You say it's not a dispute, and that may be that it hasn't been a dispute up to this point. If the witness that is his recollection, it's not for me to slam the door. I understand what you're saying, but if the witness recalls that, then I'm certainly welcome to cross-examine him on that.
It's not necessarily the truth of him being in jail, just the claim that he made he was in jail.
Censor the evidence.
I just need the form of the question is appropriate, which is how did you form your belief that the bag was from jail?
But didn't the witness already say that?
No.
He just said it. So now he's asking him, why do you say that? My memory just...
I'm trying not to lead him, so I was setting the stage for the statement. I mean, you want me to...
What did you hear him say?
There's three different statements.
Okay, the objection's overruled.
Gotcha.
It's not the truth of the matter that's being asserted.
Right.
It's just his
Right.
sense
He made the
impression
statement.
It's not hearsay at all.
based on claims that could have been BS that were made by Rosenbaum. We don't know whether Rosenbaum was in jail. We just know he
Listen, he had to make the objection. He had to make the objection.
Yeah, he can't.
I think it's the right ruling.
He can't have this guy coming out of a mental hospital or a jail or the fact that he's a child rapist. Like, if that happens, if they get to all the way back, the state's case is obliterated immediately. That's their big issue here.
Yeah.
I don't think he should let it get back there. Honestly, like
I don't think they will anymore.
I wish he could. But I'm
The
saying
girlfriend was the catalyst. The girlfriend was the catalyst to get back there, and they didn't go after her hard on cross. I don't think they'll get back there. But the jail thing and the hospital thing, based on his statement, I'm not afraid to go back to jail, or I just got out of jail.
Yeah.
I mean, that should
tells
come
you his
in.
mental state at the time. Yeah, it tells you his mental state, how crazy he was, and how threatening and menacing he was to Kyle.
You guys,
not so much about his mental state, but his behavior that was observable by the people around him.
Objection's been overruled. Go ahead.
Sir, did you hear Mr. Rosenbaum say anything about the bag?
I did.
What was that?
That he's not afraid to go back to jail.
And you told the detective that when you were interviewed back on September 11th of 2020, correct?
Correct. Never forget.
Now, directing your attention to the ultimate gas station, approximately 5900 Sheridan Road, did you see an incident regarding a dumpster?
I did.
Did you see who was lighting and pushing that dumpster?
I did not.
Did you see what happened to that dumpster?
I did.
What?
It was, the fire was put out by a fire extinguisher.
And when the fire in the dumpster was put out by the fire extinguisher, was there any reaction from the people who were starting the fire?
Yes, a very angry reaction.
Okay. Did you recognize or notice anybody's specific reaction at that time?
I did, Mr. Rosenbaum.
Okay. Describe that, please.
He was very agitated. He was yelling, "Fuck the police," over and over and over. "I'm not afraid to go back to jail," and "Shoot me N-word, shoot me N-word."
But he was using the whole word.
Correct.
At a Black Lives Matter rally?
Correct.
And he had to be held back from attacking people. Is that a fair statement?
That is a fair statement.
No.
Oh, no.
What?
Come on, stream.
Oh, no. Rekieta, what's wrong with your internet?